Hey guys, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are OG, welcome back. So if you guys are not already subscribed and you guys want to be part of this family, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you guys hit the bell so you guys get notified every time I post. You guys already know the drill. Yeah, my tutorials will be consisting of makeup tutorials, reviews, beauty, hair, skincare, whatever you guys like. If you guys are interested in that type of stuff, then you guys are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll be doing this purple cut crease. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm taking Jaclyn Hill's palette again. I know, I love this palette. So I'm taking Therapy Sesh and just packing it on and then just blending it out until it's happy. And then I'm taking ABH's eye primer and cutting the crease right here. I'm going to be taking Not My Journey and just blending that out in the outer corner and then kind of blowing it out and then going a little up. Then taking my Give Me More palette from Trendbeauty. OMG, you guys. This shade right here, it is gorgeous. It's called, oh, it doesn't have a name, but it's so pretty. So pretty. And it kind of gave like a different like shift of color kind of. So that was really nice. And then I went back with Therapy Sesh and going, just smoking that out. Like, you know, right here I put concealer, just cutting that, making it sharp. Taking the ABH eyeliner and just, you know, making a little thin line like I always do just for my lashes. And, oh, speaking about lashes, this is in the style Hush Hush, and these are in Beauty Creation lashes. These are gorgeous. I love how lightweight they are. Very, very nice. So now I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer. This primer is so lightweight and so bomb. I love it so freaking much, you guys. And then I added another primer, and it's the new primer by Benefit. It's the hydrating primer. So bomb, you guys. So bomb. I'm also adding another primer just for extra coverage for the pores. I do have large pores. This is by Tarte. It's their Timeless primer. So the foundation I'm taking is the Flawless Stay Foundation, and I'm in the shade 8.0. I actually really love this foundation. It's very, very, very full coverage. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. Just highlighting it on my T-zone, under my eyes. And yes, this concealer is amazing. And now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f., I think it's the Camel Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I love it so much to contour my face. I like more of a, you know, what to call it, a warmer shade rather than a cool tone shade. And I'm going to be taking Banana and Vanilla Setting Powder by ABH. Faves, oh my god. And then now I'm taking the bronzer. I really like this bronzer. It's called Beached Bronzer, and it's in Bronzed. And here I'm taking the Island Time from Ofra. It's just a blush palette. Such a pretty palette. So right here I'm going to be taking the Watermelon Mist Spray by Glow Recipe. It smells bomb. And right here is the Glow Up palette by Ofra, and I think this is Rodeo Drive. I'm not sure. So this brow 24-hour brow setter by Benefit is one of my favorite clear brow gels. It just holds my brows like in place. Like it's like hairspray pretty much. So bomb. And look at this. I'm using a different lip liner. Wow. I'm using Bite Me. This is also one of my favorite lip liners from them. So the lipstick that I'm going to be taking is by Anastasia in the shade Nude. And also I'm going to be taking the Honey Love by MAC. I just love this lip combo as well. I'm taking ABH's Undressed Lip Gloss because it's just the bomb. I can't stop using this lip gloss. It's actually like a perfect nude, and mixed with other colors it just makes so many different shades. Like it just looks different all the time. So taking that shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, shade I'm in it, it's so pretty, just made it pop, you guys. And now just here feeling myself, you know. Taking Lash Brag mascara right here just to blend out my falsies and my lower lash line. And I just thought of something. I forgot that I had these little hearts that Shopware Beauty sent me, and I'm obsessed. It just made the look complete. I love it. Hey loves, so this is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I love it. Purple and pinks are my favorite colors and she cute. And like I always say, let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. I know I use the Jaclyn Hill palette again, but I did use another palette which is called Gimme from Trendbeauty. This palette is so cute. When I received this palette, I was like, oh my gosh, you guys. This just took me back to my teenage years because it's a cassette player and this is how I used to record my music from my boombox. Yeah, I'm old. I'm 31, so I don't know if you youngsters know about that, but it was a struggle back in the days. I love this palette. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. You see these shades? So cute. Yeah, I was so excited to do this look and I hope you guys like it. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you guys can get notified every time I post. You guys already know I'm going to be having a post once a week. I know I'm probably going to post a couple of them kind of back to back just because I have time right now, but I'm shooting for 1 week, you guys. But yeah, babes, so until next time, guys, I love you guys. Bye.